Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm back in Dollar Tree and I figured I'm gonna start right here and show you guys some of the wood decor that they have, because it looks like from the first time that I've been to Dollar Tree, it looks like they've added some different little things. So where should we start? We'll start over here. They do still have the little boxes like that with the laser cut. I still like that house. These bigger ones down here, they have those. The unicorn, butterfly, look at the dinosaur right there. You got the giraffe, the rhinoceros, and the elephant. And then these little kind of boxes like this is the crown, the castle, the pineapple, and the apple. Let's see, up here you got this little dog. I forgot what it's called. Not a Yorkie, but I forgot. You have these little plaques in different shapes. Definitely cool to use for DIY projects. You got relax, peace, love. Here's these cute little flowers that's like photo frames. You got the tulip and whatever flower this is and this style. And I like how they're in the little pots. Super cute. You got that thing that I said the first time. It's a donkey. Looks crazy. You got a panther and then a unicorn back there. You got the bird houses. And then those boxes down there. Crosses. Here's these little trays. Super cute. And then over here you got these crate style boxes. See, these weren't here the first time. And let's see, I don't know if there's different sizes, but these are super cool. Oh, look at these little picture frames. Super cute. Little penguin. There's an elephant. I think that's an elephant because that's an elephant. And then there's a squirrel. I like those. And then up here you got some more of the flowers that we just looked at. And then you got this style like that. You can take the picture out right there. This also comes in this shape. This butterfly. And I think I see a heart. Oh gosh, those were gonna fall. Almost like a domino effect. Look at that. Okay, there's the heart. Oh, what is this? Little trinket box. Oh, that's cute. So the top comes off and you can decorate it. You can put little gemstones all over it. Have it like a little keepsake box or a little jewelry box. Really cute for some kids to DIY those for the Christmas break that's coming up. You got more of these. Oh, look at that. That is so cute for baby showers. Let's see, there's a train. Up here you got an easel with like a whiteboard on it that you can write on. You got that photo frame, the flower, that one. This one has a chalkboard on the front. You got the little animal cutouts. The frame, there goes that pineapple. I thought that was cute. You got the wood craft cubes, 36 pieces. This one, and then you got these. Let's see, that's the unicorn head. Then I think you got the whole unicorn. Look at her with her little eyelashes. And then you got those words up there. Okay, so that's going to be it for all the wood in this location. They seem to have a lot. Some of it is, like I said, I hadn't seen. So yeah, so I'm going to continue to walk around and see what else we can find at this store. They put their Christmas cards out. They have a bunch of them. The two that I was looking at I thought was cute was this one This one right here, the fa la 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 with the dogs. And I think that's the only ones I was really looking at. Let It Snow. Yeah, and yeah, so hopefully they'll bring out some more. Oh yeah, and this one right here, Home for the Holidays, with the little red car. And you get 12 of them in there. They have out their fragrance sachets, the 2-pack. You got peppermint, or you can get pine. There's the pine one right there. These smell so good. Okay, here's some new cool socks. I definitely will be getting these. I love playing dominoes, so I have to get those. Then I see some new shark ones like that, and these are men's, but you know, we women wear them too. This one is cute. Look at that. A different style of sushi. I like how they bring back kind of like the same prints, but they'll just make it a little different. So the sushi, you got some more llamas with the cactus right there, and there's a bear eating a pizza and holding a hot dog. And then I see this one right here with milk and cookies. Remember the other milk and cookies that they had? It was for the women. Let me see if they have it here. No, I don't see the ones that was for the women with the milk and cookies, but this is the man version, and these are super cute, so I'll be getting these too. Oh, they got more of the Elf Duo Stick tin cans. It's basically just a tin can that you can, you know, store something in, like your eyeliner or something. But I just thought, I remember when these came out, I thought they were cool to keep in your purse. You know, if you have something that you don't want to mess up the inside of your purse, it's a little tin can by Elf. This looks like a new style of face wipes. Alcohol and paraben free makeup remover wipes by Pro Selection. I'm not familiar with Pro Selection. Let me see. That doesn't look like it's a Dollar Tree brand, so I'm not sure, but you do get 60 wipes in this one. Okay, and so now I'm just skimming. They got a lot of wipes besides that one. Now I'm just skimming their makeup just to see if they have anything. Oh, look at these. Shade Boss. So this is my first time seeing this. I know they used to have the simple colors, but this is the first time I've seen the 2-pack of shadows. They got a lot of different colors. I see that one. I think that's the same. This is pretty. You got that purple. I wonder how good these work. I know that purple lip gloss, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll probably get, let's see, this one, that. So I'll probably pick this one and this one because I like the blue and the gold. Ooh, but that peach is pretty too. Let's see if they got anything with burgundy. No, I don't know. I know for a fact I'm going to get these two though. And then they still have the shadow switching sponge. Let's see what else. Those retinol wipes. And I think that's it. They still got the eyelash applicator and the soak off nail caps. And then over here on this end cap, look at this. They got some macaron lip balms. How cute is that? They got lavender, berry. I love the packaging. Lemon. And they say that they are scented. You got mint and you got vanilla. Now the only thing is I really hate lip balms where you have to kind of rub your finger on them. But for the sake of showing you guys when I do my haul, I think I'm gonna try berry and, do I want berry and lemon? I'll do vanilla. And then right next to it, you got these little nail polishes by LA Colors. So these can be like stocking stuffers, beauty treasures. Those are cute. They got a bunch of different colors. And then they also have these. Uh-oh, somebody stuck that right there. They got these shimmery lip glosses. 2 packs, different colors. This was in there, but it's right here. Macaroon scented lip balm. Okay, so it looks like they're the same, but it has a little saying, this is meant to be. So instead of this mint right there saying macaroon lip balm, you can get this one that has the cute little saying on it. You are berry sweet. You look grape today. And I think that's it. Those are cute too. Still got the metallic and metal lipsticks and the prism gels, the cosmic lip toppers, metallic liquid liners. What is that? Eyeliner, auto eyeliners, and lip balms down here. Oh, they have a lip scrub too. So you can either get the lip balm and the lip scrub. And they got cool mint, berry punch, and fresh squeeze. I think I'm gonna try the lip scrubs. And then look at this display, Remy Rose. Look at that picture, that is so cute. And they got different ones. Everlasting liquid lipsticks. So you have Carmen. I don't know if it's this color right here, but it looks like a dark chocolate brown. You got Emily, Charlotte, Jasmine, Kristen, and I think, no, that's not it. You got Lucy, Sophia, that's like a red, Lindsay, another Emily, another Carmen. You got Madison down there. These down here are cream lipsticks. So those up there was liquid. This one is actually a liquid, a stick. You know what I mean. You got Nicole, you got Sarah, Annabelle, and this is a lip gloss. And Tommy, that's a lip gloss as well. That's like a pearl. I don't know, I think I want to try this Carmen, this deep color, and Jasmine. Looks like a purple. Is there anything else I want to try? I don't know, let's look at Sophia too. Okay, so they put out their Christmas cups, and I see some cute ones. You got this one with the little coffee mugs, the hot cocoa. You got the truck, of course, and it says North Pole this way. These come with candy on the inside, and the truck is all the way around. What else did I see? You got Santa with the little animals. This cute little gingerbread boy with his little hat on, his little beanie. They got different ones all the way around. Cute. They got the flowers. I like the truck, of course, and the gingerbread one. And then down here you got these. Have a Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. It says all kind of stuff. That one, the same one they always have with the Santa belt. And then they have this one with the campers and Santa Claus. Cute. And just a few more. Oh look, that's a different let me move that. Where can I put that for now? I promise I will put that back. They have a different one. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. I don't need any more cups, but that camper is cute. I like that one too, but I like this one more because I like the background. It looks kind of wood with the green. Really cute. So yeah, this one is coming with me. And they have restocked the peach Cheerios right here, a ton of them. So that's it, you guys. I am done in Dollar Tree today. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. They brought back the little key covers, the little mermaid, the narwhal, and a llama. Okay, bye you guys.